Wherever Outlaw is.
That's where we're going.
Okay. Where do I go? Down here and say where?
Take a left.
Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're going.
Okay.
That wasn't bad at all.
No, it's not bad. It's
That was
really
cake work.
It's just, you see what I mean? You got to keep your speed up or else you pedal.
Yeah.
That's DMLH right there.
Is that the blue one? The lower?
That's the one that goes. No, you don't do that. We don't do that. Fuck that.
What?
But that's the one that goes to the bridge gaps you saw in the videos. That goes to a drop, anthem drop.
Mm.
They're high. I mean, you're like 15 feet in the air. So if you go off the bridge, I don't know what you do.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
I'm not doing that. So let's get as much speed as we can so we have to do the least amount of hiking up this hill.
Use your transmission.
We're going to Tempest?
Yeah. Use your tranny.
Yeah, that's bad.
All right.
Yeah.
Pedal it up as far as, and then you got to walk it.
Yep.
That's why it's hard to well, it's pretty long,
Walking.
but-
Challenge accepted.
Yep.
I would let you know downhill bike. Reaching straight on, that's right. They're probably like OCD on crack.